Plastic became a major part in daily life use. Conventional plastic is made from petroleum oil. It remains in the environment for hundreds of years. Their environmental impact has reached a critical level. According to the United Nations Environment Programme 2023, more than 400 million tons of plastic are produced every year, and nearly half of this amount is designed for single use. Because most plastic are non-biodegradable, they persist in the environment for hundreds of years, slowly breaking down into microplastic and contaminate soil, rivers, and oceans. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency 2023 also reports that improper disposal of plastic waste contributes to severe land and marine pollution, threatening wildlife, releasing harmful chemicals and as plastic degrades.
At the same time, the agricultural sector generates enormous amounts of organic waste that are often neglected. Potatoes, the world's fourth most important food crop, are responsible for large quantities of agricultural waste every year. In Egypt alone, studies by the Egyptian Journal of Agricultural Research indicate that 8 to 12% of the national potato yield is lost annually because of harvesting defects and post-harvest handling problems. Similarly, the Food and Agriculture Organization FAO estimates that developing countries lose up to 25 to 27% of their total potato production after harvest. So we actually face two problems: plastic pollution and agricultural resource waste.
So here, BIOVERT story starts. My name is Malak, a student at STEM School for Science and Technology in Egypt.
My name is Omnia. I am a student at STEM school in Egypt, and we are founder of BioVert.
BioVert's idea is simple: converting low-quality or wasted potato starch into a transparent, biodegradable plastic film, using simple and low-cost materials as a low-cost alternative for light packing without relying on petroleum or imported raw materials.
In Red Ocean,
The current bioplastic market of packing, such as PLA and PHA, mainly depends on cornstarch or sugarcane, complex industrial manufacturing processes, and relatively high costs that do not suit small-scale projects. Most existing solutions are also designed only for large factories.
first year non-customer, small and medium-sized local packaging consumers who presently use traditional plastic for light packaging, like wrapping films and lightweight bags. Also, many of these users are becoming more concerned about plastic waste and the effects on the environment. The current bioplastic solutions are frequently too costly or unavailable for them. If a useful and low-priced biodegradable substitute is made available, these consumers are probably going to stop using traditional plastic. Second tier non customers, small local companies and food processors that have purposefully steered clear of bioplastic packaging. Despite being aware of bioplastic materials, they are unwilling to use them because of large factories are the target of current solutions. Supply chains and production are complex, and for small users, the costs and minimum order volumes are too high. Because of this, they continue to use traditional plastic in spite of their concerns about the environment. Third tier of non customers, small scale local producers and agricultural and food processing facilities like potato processing factories that have never thought of bioplastic packaging as an acceptable choice. Since these consumers don't fit the large volume industrial customers profile, the current bioplastic industry largely ignores them.
In BioVert, we eliminated dependence on petroleum and imported raw materials. We reduced the raw material costs and simplified the manufacturing process. We raised environmental sustainability and reliance on local resources, and we created a small-scale bioplastic production model that utilized potato waste.
And this is our strategy canvas. A practical laboratory experiment was conducted, and a fully transparent bioplastic film was successfully produced. The film achieves proper shaping, flexibility, and drying without noticeable cracks. A realistic point: this product doesn't aim to replace all types of plastic. It is designed for light and short-term packaging applications, such as wrapping films, lightweight bags, and packaging uses.
Why is this a blue ocean project? Because it does not only complete the existing bioplastic market, but also creates a new space based on potato waste utilization, small-scale location production, lower cost, and simple manufacturing. It achieves environmental differentiation while simultaneously reducing cost. Our project connects a major environmental problem with a utilized agricultural resource, transforming it into a simple, locally applicable, biodegradable plastic material. Thank you.